Back in April, we exclusively reported that Samsung will hold the next Galaxy Unpacked event on 10 July 2024, where the company is going to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and Galaxy Buds 3. On X/Twitter, Evan Blass has posted a GIF showing an official-looking countdown timer for the next Galaxy Unpacked event, which reveals that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 10 July 2024 at 10:00 PM KST. This countdown timer seems to be a part of a Samsung website, which is yet to go live. Expect Samsung to make it live any moment now. As we are getting closer to the Galaxy Unpacked event, more and more information about the products that Samsung is going to launch at the event is coming in. The latest images shared by Ice Universe display the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in a silver color compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As seen in the photos, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is wider than its predecessor, suggesting that the outer and inner displays will be broader. This increase in width is expected to enhance usability and overall user experience. Another notable change in the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its boxier design. It features flatter sides and sharper edges compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5, giving the upcoming device a cleaner, more symmetrical, elegant, and modern appearance. Additionally, the dummy unit of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 confirms the presence of 3 rear cameras, a volume button, and a fingerprint scanner on the right-hand side. While these images strongly suggest the authenticity of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy unit, we will have to wait for the official launch on July 10, 2024 for full confirmation. It seems that Samsung will disappoint its potential buyers by increasing the pricing of the Z Fold 6. According to a SmartPrix report, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will start at $1,899.99 in the US for the 256 gigs variant, which is $100 higher than the 256 gigs version of its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The 512 gigs and 1 TB variants of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 are reportedly priced at $2,019.99 and $2,259.99 respectively. This $100 price increase across all storage variants might disappoint potential buyers, especially considering the substantial $1,900 price tag. Reports suggest that Samsung may use the same cameras from the Galaxy Z Fold 5 on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Previous reports indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have slightly different dimensions compared to its predecessor, featuring a broader cover screen. The phone will also be thinner and lighter, potentially with a titanium frame. The internal screen will be wider and shorter, and the phone is expected to retain an IPX8 rating. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, and storage options of 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 TB. It will feature the same camera setup as the Galaxy Z Fold 5, a 10-megapixel selfie camera, 50-megapixel primary rear camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Reports also claim that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have a 4,600 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging. It will likely include stereo speakers, a capacitive fingerprint reader, and wireless charging. The leaked design reveals the absence of a built-in S Pen silo. The phone is expected to be launched at Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.